Hey guys, welcome to Red's Projects. Today, I want to put my VG back together. This thing's been sitting here for like 3 or 4 months. I've just been too lazy or too preoccupied with other projects to get around to it. So from memory, I think the block was ready to go. Yeah, I'd honed it all, even painted it. How pretty that looks. So, first thing I have to do is file fit my rings, get the ring gap right. So I'll have a quick play with that and just work out what ring gap I'm going to use because I haven't decided yet. And then yeah, I'll just start assembling. Got new bearings, got new pistons. Try and get most of this shit together. Haven't got head gaskets, so I can't put the heads on yet, but I'll order those soon. And just try and get all this stuff back in this thing and get this off the engine stand. Okay, after measuring the old rings, measuring the new rings, and just checking out a couple ring gap charts, decided I'm going to do the ring gaps, or top ring gap at 6.5 thou per inch of bore, which works out being 22 thou, and then the second ring I'm going to do 24 thou. So that's what I've decided on, which is coincidentally the same as the LS over there. That's the same spec I used for that, and they end up being 26, 28 thou, I think, from memory. So I'll clear some of this shit up. I'll get my ring gap filing tool jigger, and I'll get all these rings done so I can start putting this motor together. Okay, all the rings are done. Like I said, top rings I did at 22 thou, second rings I did at 24 thou. So they're all ready to go. Next thing I'm doing, I'm putting the new pistons onto the rods. I haven't showed you the pistons yet, they're just standard cast replacement pistons. So nothing fancy there. So I'll quickly put these guys on and then we'll get to assembly. Alright, the pistons, rods, rings, they're all ready to go. Gave the crank a quick clean, that's ready to go in. Block's ready to go, so I'll just start assembling it all. Bearings I'm going to use for this thing. Big end I'm going to use the King Race, because they're the same as the RB30, so they're easy to get those. The main bearings were a little bit harder. I couldn't get King, so I ended up just getting NDC. So they're still a decent bearing made in Japan, so use them for the mains, them for the big ends. And that's it, let's start putting it together. Okay, number 1. Number 3. Number 5. Number 2. Number 4. And number 6. Alright, that's it. Bottom end's all together. Happy with how that went. Next episode, I should be putting the heads on. I need to order some head gaskets and seals and a few other bits and pieces, but with any luck, I should be putting all this shit back onto this. So look forward to that. Really looking forward to getting this motor done and getting it off the engine stand so I can get a little bit more space in here. So hopefully next month or so I'll have it all done and finished. But that's it for this episode. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.